And let's begin this broadcast by getting you all the latest updates on the political showdown between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP in Tripura, which is all set to be taken up in the Supreme Court today. The Trinamool Congress yesterday had filed a contempt petition in the top court, and that will be heard later today in the Supreme Court. The TMC essentially has sought action against the BJP-led Tripura government for failing to curtail violent incidents against opposition parties in the run-up to the upcoming local body polls. The court had earlier asked the Tripura police authorities to ensure that no political party is prevented from campaigning in a peaceful manner. Tensions in Tripura escalated ahead of the municipal body election slated for November 25th. Meanwhile, actor turned TMC leader Shayoni Ghosh, who was arrested in Agartala on charges of criminal intimidation and attempt to murder, was granted bail on Monday. A delegation of TMC MPs had also met with Home Minister Amit Shah after staging a dharna on Monday, alleging police violence in Tripura.
उन लोगों ने बाहर से कम 1000 लोगों को अगरतला सिटी में दे के ला के हमारी सिटी का सम्मान को नुकसान करने के लिए और हमारे यहाँ पर एक साजिश रच के यहाँ पर शांति को विघ्नित करने के लिए, वहाँ पे परिवेश को खराब करने के लिए उन लोगों ने ऐसा कर रहे हैं। पूरा बाहर का साजिश है।
ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी के ऊपर पुरानी बात है। तो पिछले 7 साल से जब भी आई है, जिस प्रकार जांच एजेंसियों का, जिस तरह से पुलिस बल का दुरुपयोग सत्ता के लिए, तो जो राजनीतिक दुरुपयोग किया जा रहा है, उपयोग किया जा रहा है, वो अत्यंत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है और इसके ऊपर रोक लगनी चाहिए।
धरना, वायलेंस, late night arrests, a Bengal script playing out in neighbouring Tripura. And the Trinamool Congress Bharatiya Janata Party showdown this time spills over to the national capital, Delhi. TMC MPs showed up at Home Minister Amit Shah's office. After initial claims of being turned away, a meeting took place between the Home Minister Amit Shah and the Trinamool Congress members of Parliament. But this after the TMC MPs staged a dharna, refusing to budge from the North Block.
हम 20 मिनट बातचीत किया, हमें जो बोलना था वो बोला, हमारे मेमोरेंडम देना था दिया। गृह मंत्री बोले हैं कि हिंसा नहीं होगा, शायनी घोष में वो जांच पड़ताल करेंगे, आगे देखा जाए।
TMC Supremo Mamata Banerjee has also touched down in Delhi. The Chief Minister lashed out at the BJP, saying there is anarchy on the streets of Tripura.
থানায় যখন বসেছিল পুলিশের সামনে থানায় গিয়ে বটি কাটারি নিয়ে হামলা করা হয়েছে, আমাকে শাওনি নিজে বলেছে। আমি কালকে ফোন করেছিলাম। ভোট ওরা যে এটাই হচ্ছে, বিজেপি রাজ্যে ভোট হয় না, ওরা বিজেপি ভোটের নামে ঘোট করে। তারা ভয় পাচ্ছে বলেই তো এটা করছে, পাবলিককে বিশ্বাস করতে পারছে না।
So what has triggered this Delhi showdown? A scuffle broke out between the Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party workers in Agartala on Sunday ahead of the local body elections due to be held on November 25th. TMC Youth Congress chief Shayoni Ghosh was arrested for allegedly trying to mow down BJP workers at a public meeting on Sunday. The Trinamool Congress Neta was later granted conditional bail from the court with a bail bond of 20,000 rupees. The Trinamool Congress on its part said she was attacked by the BJP goons when she was taken to a police station in Agartala.
The law and order situation in Tripura is very grave. वो अच्छे दिन आना लाना चाहते थे ना, तो हमको पता हो रहा है त्रिपुरा में क्या अच्छे दिन चल रहा है। त्रिपुरा में जो हो रहा है बहुत बुरा हो रहा है, बहुत अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल हो रहा है।
वहाँ जो हो रही है कानूनी मामला, तो कानूनी ढंग से उसको सुलझाया जाए। कौन क्या क्या है, पुलिस ने केस की, उनको बुलाया, पूछताछ किया, उसके बाद अरेस्ट किया है, वो तो कोर्ट में जाएगा। लेकिन यहाँ से जिस प्रकार की हिंसा को वहाँ लेके जाया जा रहा है, पिछले विधानसभा चुनाव और बंगाल की जो राजनीति और इस परिस्थिति बनी है, पूरा देश को जानता है, और उसी प्रकार बात करते हैं, वहाँ जाके लोगों को धमकी दे रहे हैं, प्रोवोक कर रहे हैं।
The Trinamool Congress is firing from all corners. and has also moved a contempt plea in the Supreme Court now that is scheduled to be heard on Tuesday. The fight is heating up in Delhi and Agartala. If Mamata is in Delhi, her nephew Abhishek Banerjee finally touching down in Agartala.
কালকে সায়নী ঘোষকে অ্যারেস্ট করেছে কেন রাস্তায় যেতে যেতে বলেছে খেলা হবে আরে আপনার প্রধানমন্ত্রী বাংলায় এসে খেলা হবে বলেছে দেশের স্বরাষ্ট্রমন্ত্রী বাংলায় এসে খেলা হবে বলেছে বিজেপির যত বহিরাগত নেতা মধ্যপ্রদেশ গুজরাট সব বাংলায় এসেছে আর কি বলেছে খেলা হবে তাহলে তাদের গ্রেফতার করা হবে না কেন
The stage is set for a showdown next week in the winter session of the parliament as the Trinamool Congress making it clear they will not back down in this political tussle. With Shreya Chatterjee in New Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
So that report told you all about the face-off, the war of words between the TMC and the BJP in Agartala and in Delhi. But what we're focusing on this morning is also the legal fight over this. Nalini Sharma is joining us live from Delhi with the latest updates. Nalini, the TMC has filed a contempt petition in the Supreme Court. That's going to be taken up today. Just sum up for us what the TMC has mentioned in its petition before the court.
Well, actually, that's very interesting because this time around, even though it's a similar issue that the TMC has moved the Supreme Court over, but at the same time, they're seeking initiation of contempt proceedings against the DGP as well as the Tripura police, which essentially means that the TMC is alleging that the Tripura police had willfully disobeyed the November 11th orders of the Supreme Court, where they had categorically directed the Tripura police to not only ensure that there are no instances of violence that are breaking out in the state, but also that all of the opposition parties that are contesting the by-polls on the 25th of November are given a right to campaign in a free and fair manner to ensure free and fair elections. So it is that order that the TMC has moved the Supreme Court against, stating that the orders are not being followed despite specific directions from the Supreme Court. So as to whether or not the Supreme Court will find any merit in this plea and will pass even harsher orders against the Tripura administration is something that we have to wait and watch out for today. No doubt it's an escalation of the political war that is already brewing between the TMC and the BJP. But as to whether or not the Supreme Court is going to find any merit in it is the main thing that we have to watch out for during today's hearing.
All right, Nalini, we'll keep tracking the latest that comes in from the court. For the moment, thank you very much for joining us. Now, in the face of what's playing out in Tripura, Mamata Banerjee's nephew Abhishek Banerjee, who is also top leader of the Trinamool Congress, he is camping in Agartala and he's lashed out at the BJP with a challenge to the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, after the BJP accused the TMC of spreading violence on the streets, Abhishek has said that he's ready to quit politics if there's any proof of divisive politics by the TMC. So he's daring the BJP to come out with evidence for their statement. The TMC leader said that the BJP has let loose a reign of terror in the state because the ruling party has sensed defeat in Tripura. He also accused Biplab Deb, the chief minister, of using politics of intimidation against the opposition.
If the BJP unit in Tripura or Bengal or anywhere in the country can give me one instance where Trinamool has tried to divide the society on lines of religion, I will quit politics forever.